Hello, I'm Bob Katz here at the Revolution Acoustics booth at ISE 2020. Today we're going to be talking about our PoE amplifiers. Very small packages in low Z and high Z models. In essence, our PoE amplifiers can be driven with a 60-watt injector plugged into a network switch to drive these at 40 watts usable. We have over here a low Z 4 ohm and 8 ohm switch for low Z applications. We also have high Z, which is 70 volt and 100 volt per your needs. They're both, of course, Dante equipped and Dante powered, plenum rated. These are fantastic little amplifiers for huddle rooms, for office, for light commercial, retail, and other applications. The plasticity of Dante allows these to be to populate very, very large areas, very large buildings, if you care to go that route in architecting your system. For more, come see us at revolutionacoustics.com.